In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change email on Booking.com. Before we begin, make sure you have access to the new email inbox you want to use, since you'll need to verify it at the end. Now start by opening Booking.com in your browser or the app and sign in to your account. Use your usual login details and follow any on-screen security prompts if they appear. Being signed in ensures you can reach your profile settings and apply the change to the correct account. Once you're in, look for the profile icon, typically at the top right of the page. Click it to open your account options. This menu is where you manage your profile, preferences, and personal information. From there, go to Personal Details. This section contains your contact information and is the place where you'll be able to adjust your email. Inside Personal Details, locate the email address field. It should clearly display the address currently linked to your Booking.com account. Click Edit next to it. This will open an edit screen or a small form where you can make changes. Don't be surprised if you're asked to confirm your account password or pass a quick verification step. This is a normal security measure designed to protect your profile from unauthorized changes. Type your new email address carefully. A small typo can prevent you from receiving important messages about reservations, confirmations, and cancellations. So take a moment to double-check spelling and punctuation. When you're confident it's correct, click Save to apply the update. Next, head to the inbox of the new email address you just entered. Booking.com will send a confirmation message to verify that this address belongs to you. Open the email and click the verification link inside. This step completes the change and links your Booking.com account to the new address. If you don't see the message within a few minutes, check your spam or junk folder just in case it was filtered there. Clicking the link will typically bring you back to Booking.com and confirm that your email has been updated. That's it, your email is now updated. From this point on, Booking.com will send all important account and booking communications to your new address, so you won't miss any reservation details or travel updates. If you manage multiple email accounts, consider adding this one to your primary inbox view or enabling notifications so messages from Booking.com are easy to spot. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you update your contact information quickly and confidently.